DJ Best, muna tayo. Tonight, sige, huwag kayo ang saya. Let's go! Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigaw. At bawat hakbang mo'y diretso, walang alinlangan. Sa bawat galaw mo, bukas ang dahilan.
Kumpas ng musika, hawak mo ang sandali. Isang tingin mo lang, ako'y bumibigay din. Wala nang salitang kailangan pa. Sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat.
Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sa ilalim at dilim.
Ikaw ang ritmo ng damdamin. Hawak mo ang beat dito sa pista. Ikaw ang dahilan bakit sumisigla.
Pawisan oo, pero tuloy pa rin. Lalo kang kumikinang sa gitna ng dilim. Sa bawat ikot mo, palakas ang bas. Parang sinasabi mo, sumabay ka na rin.
Lumapit ka pa, wag nang umatras. Sa sayaw ng gabi, ikaw ang lakas. Sa paghawak mo ng putok sa kamay, lahat tumutunog sa galaw mong tunay.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan.
Hawak mo ang beat sa ilalim at dilim. Ikaw ang ritmo ng damdamin. Hawak mo ang beat dito sa pista. Ikaw ang dahilan bakit sumisigla. Clap, clap, taas kamay. Ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan. DJ Liti mo pa dyan. Clap, clap, taas kamay. Ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan. DJ Liti mo pa dyan.
Pag bumagsak ang huling patak,
Dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasabog. Sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong. Ikaw ang reyna ng galaw ngayon.
hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sumayaw ka pa. Sa disco ng gabi, ikaw ang tala. Hawak mo ang beat, dito sa pista.
Ikaw ang tunog na hindi kukupas. Hawak mo ang beat, DJ. Huwag mo munang patayin. Hawak mo ang beat, DJ. Huwag mo munang patayin. Hawak mo ang beat.
Yeah. A lot of you people look at me like, who the fuck this nigga think he is? Lord Ferg II, that Fergenstein. All the trap audience stand up. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Fergie Vicious. To a bunch of bitches, man, I'm Fergie Licious. Battle with a bunch of little trap villains. Turned it up, leave your ass on the ceiling. Fuck your opinion, nigga, I been killing. Hip and white bitch on the penicillin. Getting all the bad bitches I've been feeling. They think a nigga trapping, yeah, I'm drug dealing. Hit her with that crack pipe, get her lifted. Take a little sip, sip on my drip drip. Fuck a little trail bitch to my dick nip. I let her way you lick, lick on my dick tip. Riding in the Bentley, you in a Civic. Fucking main broad till she on my friend dick. 4, 5, 6, shit, my niggas tripping. Shot outside the max and my niggas crippin'. ASAP Q, yeah, my nigga crippin'. Muddy while I'm mackin', yeah, he blood drippin'. 5-point star for a thug nigga. About 2 G's for the slug living. White gold teeth cause a nigga don't sleep. Nightmares of being broke cause I'm seeing no cheese. Bitch coming at me cause I'm dropping no beats. She could get up on a nigga for about a couple G's. All I know is pain. 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 Hey Jody, hi twin. Thinking about my goddamn father again. Why you couldn't see a nigga in Medusa Lynn? Why you couldn't see a nigga cop his first Benz? Why you couldn't see a nigga pop his first Benz? All these bitches got me trying to get up in my pen. Riding in a lemon with a bunch of fake friends who be only around me cause I make ends. I'm feeling pain for my bro cause his dad died. My daddy going too, nigga, that's lie. But the niggas did it up and they passed live. Mo wet Chris style, nigga, that's right. But the niggas dressed up in the white suits. Rhythm in the blues in the white coupe. Spit it through a cloud with a nice boo. Daddy in the cold probably like you. I'm so vicious. Riding in the coupe with a bunch of killers. All your gang banging, man, I couldn't see it. It's like twisting up your fingers in the pyramids. I put them in the water with a bunch of fishes. Watch a frog leap where his fucking chin is. Are you Popeye? Yo, fucking spin. Bunch of little trap lords and we down for sinning. ASAP Soul, that's my fucking nigga. Young Tarzan, that's my little nickel. Crawling in the bitches like a caterpillar. That bitch heavy all in my heel figure. Black gold Joe, they be the trill nigga. 12 the good goon be that real nigga. Nasty baby wanna kill a nigga. All us together the illest nigga. All I know is pain. 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 All I know is pain.
Nagkatingin na kami ni Zick dun.
Go! Pag na-capture natin to, panalo na.
GG guys.
GG.